Another constraint are orientation. So if I select the cone here, we can see the current orientation. If I were to change this, it follows like so. So again, the rotation offset means that I can change this slightly like so. Right now it's only going to be in Y that we get the weirdness. Very convenient. Again, everything can be constraint compensated like that. The other one is directional constraints. I'm going to remove all constraints on this object, select these two, Control Shift R to reset them, and there we go. I'm just going to move this to one side. So I'm now going to use constrain direction to this one, and it's also aligned to a particular axis. In this case it's the X axis. If I were to do it something like, instead of X, click on Y, and it's now using the Y axis to constrain towards the other object. Of course we can always use the target offset. These are all global. If I were to select this and constrain direction back to this guy, I have a cycle of dependencies. It means that the direction is pointing at this one, which is directing this one, so it will create a loop. If I just go OK inside here and open up my script, here we go. I'm going to actually take this, expand it, so we get a warning where the braking is occurring. At any times you can do something like this, cycle checking scene route, and there we go, it's going to do everything in the scene. So if you pick up somebody else's scene, or you're not quite sure if you have created a cycle, here if I run this, it says a cycle in this guy. If I select this guy, there's a cycle because they're interdependent. If I were to get, say, a cube and then run it, nothing, because I was just doing it on the current object.